Welcome to today's video, where we will be diving into the world of social media and exploring how to unleash its power with Publer. In this guide, we will take you through the steps to effectively utilize Publer, a powerful social media management tool to enhance your online presence and maximize your social media impact. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, with billions of people actively using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Whether you are an individual looking to build your personal brand or a business aiming to reach a wider audience, harnessing the power of social media is crucial in today's digital age. However, managing multiple social media accounts can be time-consuming and overwhelming. That's where Publer comes in. Publer is a comprehensive social media management tool that allows you to schedule and automate your posts, engage with your audience, and analyze your performance all in one place. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up your Publer account and connecting your social media profiles. We will show you how to schedule and publish posts across multiple platforms, saving you valuable time and effort. You will also learn how to engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages directly from the Publer dashboard. Additionally, we will explore the advanced features of Publer, such as the ability to create and manage social media campaigns, track your analytics, and collaborate with team members. These features will help you streamline your social media strategy and ensure that you are making the most out of your online presence. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of how to leverage Publer to unleash the full power of social media. Whether you are a social media enthusiast, a small business owner, or a marketing professional, this video will provide you with the knowledge and tools to take your social media game to the next level. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of social media and make a lasting impact, let's dive into this comprehensive guide on how to unleash social media power with Publer. Step 1. Create a Publer account. You can find the link below in the description. To get started with unleashing the power of social media using Publer, the first step is to create an account. Visit the Publer website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you have filled in the required information, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Step 2. Connect your social media profiles. After creating your Publer account, the next step is to connect your social media profiles. Publer supports a wide range of social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. To connect your profiles, click on the Connect Profiles button. In the Publer dashboard, you will be presented with a list of social media platforms. Click on the platform you want to connect, and you will be redirected to the respective platform's login page. Enter your login credentials and authorize Publer to access your account. Repeat this process for each social media platform you want to connect. Once you have connected your social media profiles, you will be able to manage and schedule posts for each platform directly from the Publer dashboard. This allows you to streamline your social media management and save time by scheduling posts in advance. By following these two simple steps, you have successfully created a Publer account and connected your social media profiles. In the next steps, we will explore more advanced features of Publer, such as scheduling posts, analyzing performance, and collaborating with team members. Stay tuned for the next part of this guide to unleash the full power of social media with Publer. Step 3. Schedule and publish your posts. Once you have connected your social media profiles to Publer, it's time to start scheduling and publishing your posts. This step is crucial as it allows you to plan your content in advance and ensure a consistent presence on your social media platforms. To schedule a post, click on the Create Post button in the Publer dashboard and select the social media profiles you want to publish the post on, and then choose the date and time you want the post to go live. You can also add captions, hashtags, and images to make your post more engaging. Once you are satisfied with your post, click on the Schedule button to set it up for publishing. Scheduling your posts in advance has several benefits. It allows you to maintain a consistent posting schedule, even when you are busy or unavailable. It also gives you the opportunity to plan your content strategically, ensuring that you are targeting the right audience at the right time. By scheduling your posts, you can also take advantage of peak engagement times on different social media platforms, maximizing the reach and impact of your content. Step 4, analyze your performance. Analyzing your social media performance is essential to understand what is working and what needs improvement. Publer provides you with comprehensive analytics that allow you to track the performance of your posts and gain valuable insights into your audience's behavior. To access the analytics, go to the Publer dashboard and click on the Analytics tab. Here you will find detailed information about your post reach, engagement, and audience demographics. You can also track the performance of specific hashtags and see which posts are generating the most engagement. Analyzing your performance helps you identify trends, understand your audience's preferences, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your social media strategy. By analyzing your performance, you can identify the types of content that resonate with your audience, the best times to post, and the platforms that generate the most engagement. This information allows you to refine your strategy and create more effective content that drives results. In conclusion, scheduling and publishing your posts and analyzing your performance are crucial steps in unleashing the power of social media with Publer. By planning your content in advance and analyzing your performance, you can optimize your social media strategy, engage your audience, and achieve your marketing goals. So start scheduling your posts and dive into the analytics to unlock the full potential of social media with Publer. Step 5, engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is a crucial step in unleashing the power of social media with Publer. By actively responding to comments, messages, and mentions, you can build a strong connection with your followers and foster a sense of community. To engage with your audience, navigate to the Engage tab in the Publer dashboard. Here you can view and respond to comments on your posts, reply to direct messages, and interact with mentions of your brand. Take the time to respond thoughtfully and authentically, as this will help to build trust and loyalty among your audience. Additionally, Publer offers features such as automated replies and comment moderation, which can help streamline your engagement process. By setting up automated replies, you can ensure that your audience receives a prompt response even when you're not available. Comment moderation allows you to filter out any inappropriate or spammy comments, ensuring a positive and safe environment for your community. Step 6, collaborate with your team. Collaboration is key to maximizing the power of social media with Publer. By involving your team members, you can streamline your workflow, ensure consistency in your messaging, and leverage the expertise of different individuals. To collaborate with your team, navigate to the Collaborate tab in the Publer dashboard. Here, you can invite team members to join your account and assign them specific roles and permissions. This allows you to delegate tasks, manage approvals, and maintain control over your social media presence. Publer also offers a content calendar feature, which allows you to plan and organize your content in a collaborative manner. With the content calendar, you can assign posts to specific team members, set deadlines, and track progress. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and working towards your social media goals. In addition to collaboration within Publer, you can also integrate other tools and platforms to enhance your team's productivity. Publer integrates with popular project management tools such as Trello and Asana, allowing you to seamlessly manage your social media tasks alongside other projects. By following these final steps, you can fully unleash the power of social media with Publer. From scheduling and publishing posts to engaging with your audience and collaborating with your team, Publer provides the tools and features you need to succeed in the ever-evolving world of social media marketing. Conclusion. In this video tutorial, we have explored the power of social media and how to unleash it using Publer. We started by creating a Publer account and connecting our social media profiles. We then learned how to schedule and publish our posts across multiple platforms, saving us time and effort. By engaging with our audience through comments, messages, and mentions, we can build a strong connection and foster a sense of community. Analyzing our performance is crucial to understanding what works and what needs improvement. With Publer's comprehensive analytics, we can track our post reach, engagement, and audience demographics, allowing us to make data-driven decisions and optimize our social media strategy. Collaboration is key to success, and Publer offers features that enable us to work seamlessly with our team members. By assigning roles and permissions, we can delegate tasks and maintain control over our social media presence. In conclusion, mastering the art of social media marketing is essential in today's digital age. With Publer, we have the tools and knowledge to effectively manage our social media accounts, engage with our audience, and analyze our performance. By implementing these strategies, we can maximize our online presence and achieve our marketing goals. I encourage you to try Publer for yourself and experience the power of social media marketing. Share your results and success stories with others, and let's continue to unleash the full potential of social media together.